First, the word order of indefinite articles in Haitian Creole. So the Haitian Creole indefinite article yon means a or an. Now, like English, the Haitian Creole indefinite article yon always comes before a word. So let's say, for example, you wanted to say a cat in Haitian Creole. Well, that would be yon chat. Okay, now the word order of definite articles in Haitian Creole. This one is quite different because Haitian Creole has 5 words that mean the definite article the. And they are a, la, un, l'un, and na. And the one that you use depends on the word that comes before it ends. And don't worry about that because we have a full lesson about definite articles in Haitian Creole and how to say the in Haitian Creole. So now what you have to keep in mind is this. The definite article in Haitian Creole always come after a word. So let's say, for example, you wanted to say the cat. Well, that would be chat la. Okay, now the word order of possessive pronouns, which are words that show that you own or have something. So in English, that would be words like my, your, his, and so on. So in Haitian Creole, the possessive pronouns are mwen, ou, nous, li, and yo. And here too, it's different because in Haitian Creole, the possessive pronoun always comes after a word. So let's say, for example, you wanted to say my dog in Haitian Creole, well, that would be chien mwen. Okay, now finally, the word order of adjectives in Haitian Creole. This one can be quite tricky at first. The reason is because in Haitian Creole, some adjectives can come before a word and some can come after a word. Now, in the majority of cases, you're going to realize that adjectives come after a word in Haitian Creole. But as you can see, in these situations right here, the adjective can come before a word. And now, as you can see in this list, here are some examples of where you can use adjectives after a word in Haitian Creole. Now, don't worry too much about messing up with the word order. As you speak Haitian Creole more, this will become more familiar to you because those words are used very often. So now, listen to this example of someone who is learning Haitian Creole saying, the red car outside belongs to me.
Rouge machine nan deyo a, se pou mwen. Machine rouge nan deyo a, se pou mwen.
Now, yes, the word order could have been different, but would Haitians understand what you're saying if you were to say that? Of course, absolutely. And as we've mentioned before, Haitians love it when you are learning their language. So don't be too afraid about messing up. And that's all there is to it. So definitely, for more lessons like this, visit howtocreole.com, subscribe, and thanks for watching.